Hi guys, Carl, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I got the pleasure of showing you today, brand new to our lot, the Grady-White Fisherman 236. Perfect boat for those who want to trailer and stay in that 23-foot range. Starting here on the bow, I'll show you, we've got the casting platform already installed. Of course, you got the cushions here to cover this if you want to make it a lounge day. The boat is equipped with a windlass anchor, and this boat is also equipped with a bow shade should you want to shade it. All right, working our way back into the cockpit, you've got rear seating that folds up and down. You have the fish box in the transom, a live well. To the starboard side, the boat is powered by a Yamaha 350 outboard. Plenty of horsepower for this size boat, and if you want to stay in this class, get you home quick if you need to. Working our way here, in your co-pilot's chair, you do have a second live well underneath, and then you have your boarding ladder and storage and swim platforms after the boat. All right, come see me here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. My name's Carl. I'd love to show it to you.